A place full of greenery and nature. So beautiful that you would have loved it if you were here just as much as I do. And guess what? Today, when I was enjoying the nature, I realized that a hummingbird had built her nest right here. Just look at it, how cute and beautiful. Like birds are so smart, they build their nest beautifully and very uniquely. Now the birds are my friends and I enjoy playing with them. Although I don't really get to visit my native much often, I love it here. When I come here on my vacations, it's amazing. I just enjoyed so much. Even my childhood was here, which made me extra happy because I enjoyed my childhood. Just look at this place and tell me, doesn't this look amazing?